Hey, what's up, everybody? Mr. On Demand, man with the master plan, and we're going to talk about security. We're going to talk about keeping your devices secure and what's going on with a whole bunch of devices that are hijacked by a major botnet attack right now. Let's go ahead and look at the article here. What we got is Cisco, Asus, QNAP, Synology, all hijacked by major botnet. What that means to you is, well, you could have some of these devices running as your router, NAS, etc. in your home. You should know about this because it will maybe help you from not getting hacked. Let's go ahead and take a look at the information here. A previously undocumented botnet has been expanded around the world for more than a year, targeting a range of Cisco, Asus, QNAP, and Synology devices, and the experts have warned us. Cybersecurity researchers observed the attacks on their honeypot and used the information to detail the campaign, its infrastructure, and targets. In this report, they say that in late 2023, it spotted an unnamed threat actor targeting devices vulnerable. An improper user input validation bug affecting different Cisco small business routers. A flaw allowed them to execute a command on the affected device, pulling in malicious payload from a Huawei cloud server that was located in Singapore. Digging deeper, we found traces of the campaign targeting devices from other manufacturers as well. They named the botnet PolarEdge and confirmed that at least 2,000 endpoints around the world were infected. The endgame is unknown. The botnet's goal is unknown at this time, and the researchers say the purpose of this botnet is not yet determined. Cross-checking the IP addresses with our telemetry has not revealed any specific activity, the report reads. Unusually, cybercriminals would develop a network of infected devices to either run a distributed denial of service attack, which is used to take down websites or take down a service of some kind. And they set that up as a residual proxy. They run spam and phishing campaigns and spread malware or engage in click fraud. The majority of the victims are found in the US, but they say that the botnet appears to be particularly prevalent also in Asia and South America. Although it cannot be certain for this was a deliberate move by the attackers or just a coincidence. As we go down the article here, we'll read a little bit more. It says, despite infecting a relatively small amount of devices, they still deem PolarEdge as a dangerous threat. The botnet exploits multiple vulnerability across different types of equipment, highlighting its ability to target various systems, the report concludes. The complexity of the payload further underscores the sophistication of the operation, suggesting that it is being conducted by skilled operators. This indicates that PolarEdge is well coordinated and a substantial cyber threat. So I'm just giving you this information so you can do with it as you wish. You can look up this particular threat and look up more information in the news on it. And if you're running one of those devices like a Cisco, Asus, QNAP, or a Synology NAS slash or router, you may want to think about double checking your security updates, making sure those things are updated, and making sure that you are secure going forward. From this attack. Not trying to scare anybody, just trying to keep people up to date on what's going on in the industry, and always be aware of your devices. I had some TP-Link networking equipment that I had to replace not that long ago because TP-Link had some major security issues, which I actually got an attack from. So this type of thing does happen to people, even people that know what they're doing like me. Honestly, it was my own fault. I was a little lazy. I had brand new equipment sitting in the box, and I was just like, well, my current equipment's working fine. I'm not going to change it out right now. I think I'll just, stay with it. And and then boom, all of a sudden, what happens? Yeah, I got a hacking attempt on me. So everybody should be aware of these things and try to protect themselves as good as possible, so that they can keep themselves keep keep themselves protected, have a little peace of mind. I'll see you in the next video. Hope you guys thought this was helpful to you. If not, leave a comment down below, or don't, if you don't want to, whatever you want to do, just hit that thumbs up and let me know what you think. Talk to you later. You have a good day. I'll see you all later in the next video. Bye.